Prepositions, the invisible connectors, unveiling the mystery of missing prepositions. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we'll dive into a fascinating area of English grammar, prepositions. Specifically, we'll focus on a common problem many learners face: missing prepositions. Prepositions are those tiny words that build bridges between different parts of our sentences. When they go missing, it can cause quite a bit of confusion. But fear not, we'll explore how to identify and correct these errors. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's remind ourselves what prepositions are. Prepositions are words used before nouns, pronouns, or phrases to connect them to other words in a sentence. They establish relationships in time, space, direction, or manner. Some common prepositions include at, in, on, over, under, etc. Remember, the correct usage of prepositions is essential for clear and accurate communication. So, what are missing prepositions? It's when a preposition that should be in a sentence isn't there. This often happens because prepositions can sometimes seem unimportant or be easily forgotten. However, a missing preposition can change the entire meaning of a sentence or make it sound incorrect. For example, consider the sentence, I am going home. Without the preposition to, the sentence, I am going home, would sound odd and incorrect. Now that we know what missing prepositions are, let's talk about identifying these errors. A great way to spot missing prepositions is by understanding and memorizing common prepositional phrases. These are set phrases that always use the same preposition. For example, we always say, depend on, not, depend. If you see, depend, without, on, that's a missing preposition error. Another tip is to read your sentences out loud. Sometimes, what looks fine on paper sounds incorrect when spoken. This strategy often helps to identify missing prepositions. Identifying the error is just the first step. The next is correcting it. After you've identified a missing preposition, insert the appropriate preposition into the sentence. This often involves thinking about the meaning you want to convey, and which preposition would best express that. And there we have it. A closer look at missing prepositions. Remember, prepositions may be small, but they're mighty important. They're essential for making our sentences make sense and sound right. Practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if you still make mistakes. Keep practicing, and soon, spotting and correcting missing prepositions will become second nature. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this video helps you on your journey to mastering English grammar. Happy learning!